Hello, everyone. Welcome aboard the Mickey and Friends Tram. As a courtesy to other passengers, we ask that there be no eating, drinking, or smoking on board. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise children. Be sure to hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Tram service will continue for 1 hour after Disneyland's closure. The last and final tram takes off at 1 o'clock in the morning. Driver, you are clear.
We're now en route to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza, gateway to Disneyland, Disney California Adventure Park. If you were here just for the day, our one-day Park Hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets are especially good value. Maximize your visit by downloading the official Disneyland app to purchase tickets, access park maps, view attraction wait times, and mobile order view for pickup. To provide a more enjoyable experience for everyone who visits, downtown Disney District. If you have brought your own food and beverages, please use the
We are now approaching the entrance plaza. Before entering the parks, we'd like to remind you that smoking is not permitted except in designated areas. Shirts and shoes must be worn at all times. If you have brought your own food and beverages, we ask that you please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. If you plan to leave the park and return later today, please keep your park ticket and have your hand stamped as you exit. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends Tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour after Disneyland closes. Please stay seated until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, watch your step, and exit to the driver's right.
gather your belongings, watch your step, and exit to the driver's left. Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you have a happy and memorable visit to the Disneyland Resort.
As we approach the unload area, take this opportunity now to look up so you can see exactly how low the ceiling is above your head. So when it's time to exit and you need to stand up, watch your head, watch your step, and only use the exit doors on the driver's and my left-hand side. Now, hopefully you all wrote down where you parked your car, took a picture with your cell phone, anything to help you remember where you started.
Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you have a happy and memorable visit to the Disneyland Resort. Please lower your head, watch your step, and exit to the driver's right-hand side only.
And the walkway that will lead you right up to the front of both parks. For everyone's safety, please do not go out on the street or the driveway side. Just the doors on the left taking you out toward the green hand railing. Now watch your head, watch your step. Hold on, push out. Have a great day, everyone.